Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to give you probably the best advice anyone's ever going to give you if you're making cabinets, bookshelves, or anything like that. And I knew this advice before I did this, but because I like pain, or to cause myself pain, I didn't do it myself. And it was astronomically harder than it needed to be. So what am I talking about? If you're doing any kind of cabinets, and I got the lighting in here is horrible, so I've got a spotlight in here so you can see the cabinets. Before you start cutting anything, you'll have your paneling, whatever plywood you're using. Paint it or clear coat it, whatever you're gonna do, the whole sheet. If let's say you got a 4x8 sheet of maple, paint it or clear coat it before you do anything, before you make any cuts. Finish it to like 95% and then do all your cutting. Just like when you buy something from IKEA or you buy something from Walmart and you get the shelves and it's already painted for you. I knew that before I did this, and I didn't do it myself, and this became, look at all of these cubbies, all of the backing, all of the shelves. I had to do all that with a paintbrush, going like this, doing all that nonsense because I was like, it can't be that bad. It made this so much worse. So much worse. And the paint, the quality of finish is not nearly as good as if I would have just done a whole 4x8 sheet and all that kind of stuff. So what I mean by finish is, because you can, if you have a 4x8 panel that you're clear coating or whatever you're doing, I gotta turn the radio off. Whatever you're doing, you can just roll on your clear coat, roll on your paint, however many coats, sand in between, and there's nothing to, you don't have to do any weird yoga positions to try to figure out how to make this stuff look nice. And you can do all your, what I said, also said about 95%, because when you cut this stuff, you're probably going to cause some blemishes, I would assume. I mean, there's tricks on how to not do that, but if you don't know that or you accidentally just have a blemish, you know, you'll do your 5% of touch-ups and whatever after, which you'll have anyways, even if you like bought pre-made cabinets. So that's it. That's my advice. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.